Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the Pixel 7 Pro. I've been trying to get my hands on this for a couple days now actually, and haven't been able to find one until today. But I finally found this unlocked one at Best Buy. I went to get one yesterday, it said they had some and they didn't, so I tried a different store today and finally found one. So this is the Obsidian Pixel 7 Pro. We're going to go and take a look at it here and see what it's all about. I did end up selling my Fold just because I wasn't using it too terribly much. So I decided to sell that and pick up one of these just to go back to a regular, candy bar style form factor device. So that's where we are now. Been seeing a bunch of images and unboxings of these online, and this phone looks very, very nice. I love the new metal visor instead of the glass, and the metal edges all the way around. Just very nice looking device in my opinion. We'll set that to the side real quick and see what else we get in the box. We just have our regular paperwork and stuff like that. SIM tool is in there. I will be using eSIM though. We have our OTG adapter right here in case you need to transfer data. And then a USB-C to USB-C cable, which I'm going to leave in the box because I have plenty of those. So right here is the phone itself. Like I said, metal visor, glass back, metal sides. And this being the Pro, the screen is ever so slightly curved, but if you don't like curved screens, I don't think this is going to be an issue for you, just because it is very, 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 very ever so slightly. Without the phone off, you almost can't see it, but you can kind of just barely feel it. But I feel like it's, going to really make it look nice, but not so much so that your palms and stuff like that are going to be affecting the screen and going back and interacting with it and that kind of stuff when you don't want to. So that is what the Pixel 7 Pro looks like. I will be doing some other videos on this after I get it set up. This is just the unboxing really quick, but that is the Pixel 7 Pro. That's what it looks like. Very, very nice device. It feels very good in the hand. I don't have any cases or anything for it yet. I have not been able to find any at any Best Buy I've checked. So I'm going to have to order some and we'll check those out. But that's the Pixel 7 Pro. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.